What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? If you're watching this video, you have a loose plastic engine cover. You're like, what the hell is going on? It might rattle. Some people wrap wire around it, which isn't a good idea. I'm going to show you the quick fix. What you want to do is you want to order this right here. See if I can get this on camera. All right, these are the rubber grommets. They're called engine cover, plastic cover grommets. 4-pack. I think they were about $12. What you want to do is you want to take this off. And under here, you can see one of them sitting right in here. Actually looks like it's still in good shape. We're missing one here, and there's one missing here. Usually they're still stuck to the little posts, but I don't see them. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab the new ones and grab a few out of this bag here. And while you're waiting for me to pull them out of the bag, I got another couple of videos on the 2010 Camry. If you have trouble starting it after you charge it with a battery, I got a good video to show you how. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this guy and you're going to slide it. It's got a little groove. You're going to slide it right in here, just like that. We're going to take another one. You can see this one was actually cracked. But we're going to see if we could slide it in anyways, just so it holds it in place. You see the little groove goes right in. Okay. What you're going to do is you have a post here. You have one here and one right there. So you want to line this up. When you get down in there, these back ones will hold in nice. So put that there. Put that there. And put this one here. There you go. It's nice and solid. That's not going anywhere. So that's how you fix this loose cover. Buy those grommets. Hope this video helped you. Again, here is the information to order it online. And we will catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. And like I said, I got a couple more videos. A crank no start. If your headlights aren't working, your flashers, your blinkers, your power steering, automatic windows, things like that. Take a look at the videos and we'll catch you on the next one.